Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we're going to look at WORKPRO's 12-piece Impact Phillips Head 2 bit set. Now, Phillips head number 2 is the most common Phillips head screw that you're generally going to come across. You're going to find more of those than anything else. So this is going to be a 6-piece set. It's going to have a 6-inch 1-piece. You're going to have a 4-inch 2-piece, 2-inch 4 pieces, 1-inch 5 pieces. So it gives you a wide variety. These are also magnetic. So what I've got is I'm going to take my impact driver and we're going to try a couple of the bits out. And I've got a couple of screws, and a couple of these are stripped out a little bit. So we're going to see just how well these actually work. So you're going to open it up, and we're just going to pull the whole thing out. Set the box aside here, and pull this out to give you a little booklet, kind of talking about their products, which are very good, by the way. And here is the actual unit. Now, one thing I like is it is a flexible holder that they give you. And if you look here, it's actually marked along the bottom what you have. So we're going to go ahead, let's just pull out the long one, the 6-inch one. We're going to try it and see. By the way, these are 1/4-inch shanks, if you're not familiar with the impact size. And we're going to slide it in just like that. We're going to try a couple of screws. Now, the first one I'm going to do, this one is not stripped out. This screw is a drywall screw. This should be the easiest to screw in. So let's go ahead and see how that works. Super easy, like butter. I could have driven that all the way through and into the table very easily. Now this one is just a sheet metal screw, stainless. Now this one is not too stripped out or anything, but it has a very small screw opening in the top. So we're going to see how it does with this one. Did not slip at all. Super easy like butter once again. Now this is another sheet metal screw, stainless, but this is the one that's going to be somewhat stripped out. So we're going to see if it'll hold this and not jump. Here we go. Did not jump at all. Worked extremely well. So guys, if I was going to rate this system, So if I was going to rate the WORKPRO Phillips number 2 12-piece system on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars. It's magnetic. They have a variety of sizes. They're very well cut on the ends, and it is very strong. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up a set today. I don't think you'll regret it, and we'll see you on the next one.